Here we have a 2015 Nissan Rogue S all-wheel drive. Comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a white color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, have a nice armrest, power locks into his end mirrors, black cloth upholstery all throughout. Hopping inside, air vents, digital gauge cluster dimming controls. Down here have our traction control, sport mode switch, eco mode, hill descent control, got audio radio controls on the left, automatic headlights, cruise control functions, hazard lights, air vents, radio controls, got FM, AM, Sirius XM, as well as CD player, USB and Bluetooth, and auxiliary. Tons of options there. Volume and tuner rocker, CD drive is up there. Climate control functions, fan controls, USB, auxiliary, 12 volt, backup camera, 2 cup holders, center console, 12 volt, interior lighting options, sunglass holder, and a rear view mirror. Let's head outside. Front here have our LED daytime running lights, engine block heater, black and chrome finish grille, plain, where you got your steel rims with wheel covers on Bridgestone tires, paint matching mirrors, chrome door handles, roof rails, silver in color, Rogue badge, all-wheel drive badge on the right. Open up the trunk, 60-40 split for the rear seats. Let's head back outside. Back seats here have a nice armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, that same cloth upholstery as we have in the front, rear air vents. Let's head back outside. That'll wrap it up for the 2015 Nissan Rogue in a beautiful white color. If you have any questions or want to test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.